Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video, I am going to explain one is from Amazon Jobs started their career at quality analyst, and the next one will be software engineering from Paypol. These are the two MNCs started their hiring for freshers. So watch the video till the end. Why? Because of you are going to spend hardly 1 minute to watch it. So you may get more details about your career life and job opportunities to start your career in good domain. So don't skip out. Like my channel, subscribe to my channel. Then only more jobs you may get it from my channel link, and it will be helpful for you in future. This is from quality analyst from Amazon. The qualification will be 0 to 3 years and basic knowledge in qualifications in data accuracy, MS Excel, and understanding the static and distribution, DevOps engineering, and flexible of around relevant. Should have provided flexible object feedback, and this is all the thing they mentioned in the description. Basic qualification will be strong written skill, working in communication, basic in college of concept, any degree, preferably Bachelor of Engineering in Statistics with Max. They are looking for a quality analyst role from all over India. They mentioned Tamil Nadu. You can change it any job from this portal itself, no problem guys. And the next one will be Paypol started their hiring for software engineering role. This is all their mentioned skill which they are looking for, a good skill in software from Paypol. 0 to 2 years of experience in Spring, ASP.NET, JavaScript, knowledge in HDFC Live, Impala, HBase, scaling scripting, and Spark Living, Linux, Unix scripting, added language they are mentioned here. The location will be Bangalore. You can change it to a native place if a company looking in Paypal. So this all their hiring process for two companies. So if you have any doubt regarding this Paypal and Amazon, you just comment me while applying any doubt. I will clear your doubt as much I can. So thanks for watching. Share to your friends as much you can. It will be helpful for me and it will be helpful for them to get a good job. So thanks for watching this guys.